So here we go. They got the crown pulled out to say battery life on this. It is quartz movement. As you know, I don't really like quartz movement because of the battery, and I really like how the automatics move, the second hand, how it sweeps. So I generally, my watch collection is automatic. Butterfly clasp, said 42 million, Paul Rich. Here's the box once again, really nice. I guess I'll take the plastic off in a minute and then show some, let me see. Oh, here we go. Looks pretty nice. And it has a good weight. It doesn't feel too light and it doesn't feel too heavy. It's a good weight. I'm assuming the 45 millimeter would be a lot heavier, which really wouldn't bother me that much because I have watches that are 47 millimeters. So, it's nothing new to me. Yeah, look at this. Really nice. Thank you, Paul Rich. I really appreciate y'all. Look forward to many more purchases.